and gentlemen, it has been nice having you on board today.
Well, that kind of sucks big poo-poos. All right, I think we're good. Then I'm going to shorten this wire up a little bit, and that should make that a little bit nicer instead of having all this extra wire here. So yeah, that's going to be one of our next things we're going to do. And I think that really made it nice. I kind of get things cleaned up. Really a very nice upgrade. We'll change that wire over. I could show you me change the wire over. Let's change the wire over. Be like, hey, where are you going? Show us you changing the wire over. All right, I'll show you the change the wire over. Gotta bring in the big guns. Oh, this extra wire we're gonna get rid of. Nice. Warm day, very warm day. Trying to keep cool best I can. These Yetis are awesome. Not sponsored by Yeti, but yeah, Yeti. If you'd like to be, you know, if you ever want to sponsor like a fishing channel or an outdoors channel, you're always welcome to join me. You can sponsor me. Nice and cool. Put that right there on my beautiful cup holder, and let's get this wiring done. This is 8-gauge wire. Yeah, I went and got myself a couple of shrink wrap. It's so hot here, and I'm starting to even lose my mind. Starting to lose my mind a little. Yeah, that's good. I mean, even just to rest my arms on the gunnel, I'm burning my arms. We want to go ground to ground. And when you're hot, you're hot. Okay. Let's give those some heat. Get them shrunk wrapped. It's hot enough today, they could almost wrap without me. Excuse my language, but damn it, it's split. They both split. What the hell's that all about? I've never seen that before. All right, well, I'm gonna have to be a little more careful. $10 worth of butt end connectors, and the first two just split right open. Well, that kind of sucks big poo-poos. Well, we got to do that again. I've not ever experienced anything like that before. So I'm just going to heat the ends. I'm not going to heat around the metal. I mean, $10, I mean, they're $2 a piece. Even my crimp, I'm going to be a little more careful. Try to heat on the wires and not so much the plastic or where the metal is. I'm afraid if I go any further with it, it's gonna fall apart. We're all set there. Get it plugged in. Things are looking good. Things are looking real good. We got some cleaning up to do, a little bit of vacuuming. I'm gonna actually take this back to the guy that I bought these from because I don't think that should be occurring. I've been using these a long time. They shouldn't be doing that. Not for $10 for 5, $9.45 for 5 butt end connectors. They shouldn't be falling apart like that. No way. No way, no how. No way, no how. All right. Well, that's a segment of the 2012 Bash Tracker 190. What is it? A 190 TX? Yeah, it's a 190 Pro Team 190 TX 2012 Bash Tracker Pro Team 190 TX. That's a mouthful. But yeah, we're doing these small upgrades and we're bringing you along with it. So we'll probably, what we'll do is each upgrade will have its own separate video, and I will link every video of all the upgrades that we did with this boat individually, and there'll be small videos that you could just section one out.